Let me ask you to think of an alternative. Think of it as a ticket to change the world. I would like to invite Honorable Justice S. Rajeshwaran for giving away the degree certificates. I would like to invite our principal, Dr. T. Radhakrishnan, to call the names of the graduates.
V. Anbu, S. Archana, A. Arun Kumar, R. Ilango, K. Kavimugil, S. Kritika Sri, V. Krishna Kumari, A. Lakshmi, M. Lavanya, R. Monica, K. M. Narmada, S. D. Nivedita, P. Parameswari, S. Priya, P. Parameswari, S. Priya, A. Priyam Jennifer, G. Priyadarshini, okay. A. Ramu, G.T. Ranjana, V. Revadi, P. Sabatina, S. Sita Lakshmi, S. Selvamuthu Kumaran, R. Sobhana Devi, K. Saumya, C. Subhavalli, S. Suresh, S. Tamil Chelvan, M. Vinod Kumar, P. S. Gayatri Devi.
Thank you, sir, for your remarkable presence. Appreciation can make a day, even change a life. Your willingness to put it into words is all that is necessary. Now, it's time for appreciating the efforts of our seniors by giving them awards for all their restless achievements. I would like to call Honorable Justice S. Rajeshwaran for giving away the awards.
What makes you the best is the thirst for success and sweep the worst, make you the brightest. Nothing comes in one day. Sweat that comes yesterday made your today sweet. The best outgoing student of our first graduation day is
P. Parameswari.
Education is not something which can be proved by any degree, certificate or any marks. It can only be proved by your attitude, talent, behavior and nature with others. Now it's time to provide certificate of excellence for performance in curricular and co-curricular activities, and the award goes to
R. Ilango.
is your magic. Everyone is unique in something. Now it's time to announce the highest overall grade point average scores.
Highest overall grade point average covering all agronomy courses.
Mr. R. Vignesh, as he is not here and he is attending an interview at Avin, he is unable to come. His parents, his father will receive this award.
Highest overall grade point average covering all entomology courses.
V. Krishna Kumari.
Highest overall grade point average covering all pathology courses is shared by
P. Parameshwari and G. Priyadarshini.
Highest overall grade point average covering all soil science courses.
Again, R. Vignesh. I call his father to receive the award.
Highest overall grade point average covering all plant breeding and genetic courses.
G. Priyadarshini.
Next, Certificate of Merit, which is for exemplary academic performance. First,
V. Abhinaya, R. Ilango, K. Kavimugil, V. Krishna Kumari, A. Lakshmi, P. Parameswari, G. Priyadarshini, and P. Sabatina.
Thank you, sir, for giving away the awards. Once again, we congratulate all our graduates who proclaim the glory of our college. We will take pride in your success. Keep going and achieve more.
A teacher plants the seeds of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dreams. So, behind the success of every student, there lies the effort of many teachers. It's time to make the hidden stars glow and appreciate the teacher's effort. Next, award for long-term experience in SBAC and RF.
Mr. M. Kote Raja, Assistant Professor Mathematics. Three grams of gold coin is being awarded for the best teachers for their unblemishing services during the period, and they have offered the courses for this particular batch of 2015. Next, Dr. B. Kavida, Assistant Professor, Environmental Science. Dr. M. Vishnu Priya, Assistant Professor, Agricultural Entomology and Academic Coordinator of this institute. Dr. K. Chelladurai, Assistant Professor, Agronomy. Dr. S.P. Jayaprakash, Assistant Professor, Biotechnology. The pledge and students.
Now we call our principal to take pledge for
Of our fellow members and shall devote all our energy to promote unity, integrity, and the secular ideal of our country. Thank you.
Parents and my dear students, it's my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of our institution and on my own behalf on this historic occasion. I profusely thank our Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Shri S. Rajeshwaran, Judge of Madras High Court, for having spared this valuable time to join us in our first graduation day celebrations and awarding certificates to our graduates. I extend our sincere thanks to our special guest, Davathru Ponnambala Adigala from Kundrakudi Adinam for this spiritual speech. I also express our gratitude to our guests of honor, Sri G.V.K. Naidu, Managing Director of Sam Agro Group, Hyderabad, Dr. Srimati Bhuvana Rajeshwaran, President, Rotary Club of Art City, Chennai, Sri Mohammed Ekia, Chairman, Black Tulip Flowers at United Arab Emirates, and Commandant Rajan Ahindran from Mandapam Camp for spending their precious time with us in this gracious occasion. I extend my sincere thanks to our beloved Chairman, Dr. Sethu Kumaran, for his surpassing guidance, execution, and kind, and also I extend my thanks to Mrs. Kodilam Sethu Kumaran with us. An event of such magnitude does not come together overnight. The wheels have to start rolling months in advance. It requires meticulous planning and execution. In this way, I thank our principal, Dr. T. Radhakrishnan, Director Mr. P. Gopal, and my dear colleagues for their untiring support. Over the years, we have been fortunate enough to be backed by team of very motivated, dedicated and qualified teachers. I take this opportunity to thank all the teachers who were all given us deep-rooted foundation for the students as well as our college from the commencement of our institution. I would like to express our sincere thanks to all the principals, vice principals, correspondents and other staff of our Sethu Bhaskara group of institutions for helping us whenever and wherever we approached them. I express our gratitude to the administrative staff, non-teaching staff, volunteers and students for making this function as a grand success. I also take this opportunity to extend our more sincere thanks to all our graduates, parents and other invited guests who have come from far and wide. Thanks are due to the members of the media. You have always been very supportive for us. I extend our special thanks for the stage, audio, photography, electrical, food and water arrangements. Also, we thank all those who have directly and indirectly involved in celebrating the first graduation day successfully. நமது பிறப்பு ஒரு சரித்திரமாக இருக்கலாம், ஆனால் நமது இறப்பு ஒரு சம்பவமாக இருக்க வேண்டும் என கூறி சரித்திரம் படைத்து மறைந்த நம் ஐயா அப்துல் கலாம் அவர்களின் நினைவாக உள்ள இந்த கலாம் கவி கிராமத்தில் அமைந்துள்ள சேது பாஸ்கரா வேளாண்மை கல்லூரி மற்றும் ஆராய்ச்சி நிறுவனத்தில் இன்று பட்டம் பெற்றுள்ள அனைத்து மாணவ செல்வங்களையும் அப்துல் கலாம் ஐயாவின் ஆசைப்படி இவ்வுலகில் சரித்திரம் படைக்க வேண்டும் என வாழ்த்தி எனக்கு இந்த நல்லதொரு வாய்ப்பளித்த அனைத்து நல்ல உள்ளங்களுக்கும் நன்றியினை கூறிக்கொண்டு நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Now we call our chairman to dissolve the program.
I dissolve this graduation ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the graduates to assemble on stage